update. As usual, we're going to begin with FX. We saw the week before how we had a bear cage signal at the top there, which was enough to say thank you very much in terms of any longs, and we've drifted back and have not managed to make a close below that weekly level, and actually the barrier has moved a little bit lower, so we need a daily close below 96.98 to send us back into the big piece of sideways, really, where there's a whole confluence of sideways daily signals there, so pretty quiet really. As usual, we've got the opposite really in the euro dollar, so we had a minor positive signal and then we edged higher on Tuesday, and really we're still stuck very much in a sideways grind. The pound broke down a couple of weeks ago. We've talked about that. There was a minor signal which was a partial profit taking point, but we're still in a downtrend, in danger, pretty close to making a new daily close for the trend. You need to look at your short-term levels to trail that stop time, because really there isn't any levels that are close at present. Have a quick look at the futures. And it's the same story there. So only a minor daily Heikin-Ashi level has moved to the bottom towards the trend, but we're actually below that as well. So we'd need a daily close from the high from the beginning of the previous week to say that the trend was likelihood to ended, but remember there is no support. The yen broke its monthly level, had a lot of volatility on the Tuesday, and a bit of a wild day, but we're still in a downtrend, and the target lies at 104.80. The Aussie the week before hit the downside target at 67.70, and then on Wednesday rate cut in New Zealand caused a spike low, hit that 67.00 final support, and it's held. So only really for the most aggressive who there would want to be getting long. I'd want to see the dollar index break down before getting a little bit more aggressive about saying that you want to get long the Aussie. Kiwi, bit of a shock with that big cut, and that's also really in trouble, but it's a bit of a mess really. We've had some positives and some negatives, so again, not one that we really want to get involved in. Just look at the euro pound. We broke up the week before, and normally what's happened whenever we've hit a major level then, or broken it above it, it's been proved to be a false signal. It doesn't feel like that at the present, and remember that at the moment there is no resistance whatsoever. Finally, dollar CAD, negative signal on Thursday, not at a level though, and we're really bang smack in the middle of a very, very big range, so not much to report on that really. Let's move across over to the precious.